this video, you will explore the Get Pop-up text keyword in Avo Assure, and how it is used to fetch the text from a pop-up that appears within the SAP application. Begin by adding the first test step by selecting at SAP from the element name drop-down. Select Close Window as the keyword. Then, add another test step where you select at SAP as the element name, and Get Pop-up text as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the output value as GPT in curly brackets. Now, add one more test step, and select it generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Make sure to enter the input value as GPT in curly brackets. The output value for the last step is the same as the input value in the second step. Save the designed test steps and debug them. As the designed test steps are debugged, you will see the process of fetching the text from a pop-up window in SAP application is successfully automated.